Hello, good morning, everyone. Uh, Hope I'm audible to everyone. 2 minutes more to start. I just thought of coming together and just checking if camera and audio and video both are working fine. Please let me know if you can hear me properly. Good morning. Hope everybody is enjoying Navaratri. So again, another wishes for Navaratri. Today we are going to witness Ashtami and Navami together. Let me know how is the audio. Fine, thank you. One minute to start. And today's topic is probability, right? We're going to talk about probability. And probability, if we talk about, so it is something related to a lot of questions do come from probability, and the concept of combination. What we have seen there, what we have learned yesterday, we are going to use that concept of combination in probability. So another 30 seconds, what you people can do is you people can look into or just remember what all we studied yesterday, at least the part of combination part. A little bit we are going to use that today. Okay, so looks like this is the time with the countdown. Let's start the session on probability. Okay, so here we start. Once again, good morning, students. Good morning, learners. So happy to see you for the session on probability. As discussed, probability is somewhat related to combination. The concept of combinations will be used in this topic, so-called probability. Let's start the session. So let's start the session with what do you mean by probability, right? What do you mean by probability? So the concept of probability, if you see, the meaning of probability is how likely the event can happen. Giving another example of IPL, which is happening now. What is the probability of any team winning the IPL? Suppose we know CSK is already there. Another team will be coming, and whichever team comes, what is the probability of winning the IPL trophy for any particular team? What is the probability of rain happening today, right? It is going to rain in the evening or not. What is the probability? That is what is probability. That is how likely the event can happen. The chances are yes, it will not, right? So when somebody is asking what is the probability of what are the chances of rain, if it will rain today or not, so your answer can be yes, it will rain, no, it will not rain, right? So the chance is 50-50. If we talk about percentage, it is called out of 100%, 50% can be yes, 50% can be no, if we do not know the weather forecasting. Okay, so in terms of this is percentage. In terms of fraction, if we have to tell, out of 1, suppose total is 1, so the fraction will be half yes and 1/2 is no. This is what is probability. When the coin is tossed, right, in a match, if the coin is tossed, what is the probability? What all events can happen? The one can be head. When it is tossed, either you will get head or you will get tail. So what is the probability of getting head, considering the coin is unbiased? Unbiased in the sense which has equal event happening probability, right? So head and tail, if we are talking about, so what is the probability of getting a head in an unbiased coin? So it is half, and this is also half. So hope you understood what is the meaning of the concept of probability. The formula used for finding the probability is favorable outcome divided by total possible outcome. When we are talking about probability, we have to find what is the probability of head, right? In this case, so total favorable outcome. What is the favorable outcome? Whenever a coin is tossed, we want head. How many options are there? Only one, right? So what is the option? Head. How many favorable outcome can be? One. Out of how many? Total possible outcome. A coin, when it is flipped, either it can have head or tail. So total outcome, number of outcome is, possible outcome is 2, right? So 1 upon 2. That is why I wrote 1 by 2 here and 1 by 2 here. Hope you have got it. Similarly, if we look at dice, right? Dice. Something like this, right? Okay. You look at a dice, which is again unbiased, and when you roll the dice, what will happen? It has got 6 faces. So what is the probability? If you talk about probability of a dice getting what? Okay, in a dice getting outcome as 2. Okay, outcome as 2. So outcome as 2. What all options are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces having 6 different numbers, right? So total possible outcome is 6. Out of that, 2, how many times it can come? Only once it can come, when it is rolled once. So 1 by 6. Probability in the dice, probability of getting 5 is how many times? Obviously 1 by 6. If somebody is asking probability of getting even number as the outcome, how many even numbers are there? Out of 6, suppose total outcome can be 6. Again, in the dice, 6. Okay, total possible outcome is 6. Favorable outcome. What is favorable outcome according to us? Even number. So out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, which are possible outcomes, our even numbers are 2, 4, and 6. So it will be 3 by 6 will be equal to 1 by 2. Hope you understood the concept of probability with this. Okay. Having understood that concept of probability, let's see another concept of probability we are going to use in the sums asked in any competitive examination or placement paper. Whenever in probability there is a term and. Yesterday also we have learned whenever it is and. So what we have to do? We have to use multiplication. When in the statement it will be written, what is the probability of getting 2 or 4? 2 and 4, right? So 2 and 4, if it is asked, that means into multiplication. We'll talk about that. Just to remember, when it is done, when the concept actual question comes, the concepts will be clear even in a better way. Or is there, what we will do? We'll use addition, sum. Yesterday also we saw this same thing. Okay, at least 2 outcomes, right? At least, yesterday we talk about at least means minimum, right? Minimum 1, minimum 2, at least 5. At least 5 means minimum to maximum. Okay, and we will see how it is done. Minimum to maximum, at least 2 should be the outcome. That means minimum should be 2. It can be 3, 4, 5, and so on. We'll talk about that when we talk about the question. At most is highest number, right? So they are talking about at most. More than that it should not happen. So less than that it can happen, right? So that means maximum value is, what is the value given? At most 6 means 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so max to min. That means max to min. Okay, and then another one will be, the last option will be selection type questions, wherein favorable some events will be given on the basis of selection. You should select this or that. In that or and at least at most will not be there, and we will go with that. Questions like color, how many red colors are there, how many black colors are there, even, right, odd, prime numbers, right? So all those, or multiple of 2, multiple of 5, all those will be there. So we will look into all those when the question arises. Let's go to question number 1, which is type and. Okay, you give your try for 30 seconds. I'll give a pause. Read the question properly. It is probability question, and what is asked in the question: in a bag there are 5 green and 3 black balls. If 3 balls are picked at random, what will be the probability that 2 are green and 1 is black? Okay. Okay, I'm looking for the answer from your side. Okay, so 30 seconds is over, and I'm sure you guys are doing, everybody is doing. Let's see this question. How do we do this question? Okay, in a bag there are 5 green and 3 black balls. So what is given? A bag is given. What is given? There is a bag which has 5 green and 3 black balls. Okay, so totally how many are there? 8 balls are there, right? 5 plus 3, total 8 balls in the bag. Okay, now if from here, if 3 bags are picked at random, out of 8 they are picking how many? 3 balls. What will be the probability that 2 are green and 1 is black? Okay, 2 are green and 1 is black. Okay, so total how many we are going to take? Total we are going to take 3 balls. Okay, 3 balls out of 8 balls, right? Okay, so that we should remember one. And in that, what is given? 2 should be green and 1 should be black. 1 should be black. Let's write it down. How will be done? Okay, 2 should be green and 1 should be black. Okay, write down probability. Probability formula, I'm sure you people know, NCR. Yesterday we have seen NCR is equal to n factorial divided by r factorial n minus r factorial. This is the formula to find the probability. Okay, to find the probability. Okay, so 2 green out of how many green? Out of 5 green, right? So formula will be C, 2 we have to take out of 5. Then for this 1 black, C, 1, we have to choose 1, we are selecting 1 out of how many? Out of 3. So 3C1. And for and, what will be the relationship? For or it was supposed to be plus, for and it was supposed to be into. So here into, multiply, and this will give us the answer. Okay, 5C2 means 5 into 4 divided by 1 into 2 into 3C1 is nothing but 3, isn't it? So that will be the answer. Now, this is the answer of this part, right? Only this part. And what is that? This part. Now, one more thing is, sorry, this part, the answer of this part. Now, we are choosing how many balls? 3 balls out of 8. So, what is the probability of choosing any 3 out of 8? That also we should see. So, what we should do for that? We should divide the complete thing by this complete part by, for this one, we should completely divide it by choosing how many balls? 3 out of total 8 balls. So you should divide the complete number by 8 CR. This is the part why I did at the last, because this is one part which most of the time students forget to do. So in the question, if you see once again, if 3 balls are picked at random, so randomly picking 3 balls out of 8 also has to be considered. And then under 3, we have to consider 2 are green and 1 is black. Okay. Okay. So this will be again 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 1 into 2 into 3. And whatever you get the answer, that will be the answer. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So this part will go up 5 into 4 into 3 and into 3 divided by 8 into 7 into 6. You will get this. All right. And you cut it, you will get the answer. Suppose 3 2 ja, 4 2 ja. So you get here as 15 by 28 as answer. Okay, 15 by 28 is the answer. Yes, somebody has given, Sudhanshu has got the answer as 30 by 56. Correct, Sudhanshu, but it can be again simplified into 15 by 28. Very good. Good morning everyone. So hope everybody has got the answer. Hope everybody has got the answer. Okay, wonderful. Vivek has got the answer. Pawan has got the answer. Looks good. Looks good. So yes, if anybody has any problem, please let me know. I'll repeat it. See, what I'm going to do is I'll just repeat because it is the first sum, right? I should repeat the first sum. So I'll just okay. In this question, I'll just repeat 30 seconds. I'll not take much of your time. See this question. In a bag, there were 5 green, right? So you write down 5 green and you write down 3 black. So total is how many? Total is going to be, this is a bag containing 8 balls. Okay. We have to pick out of this, what we are doing, we have to pick out of this 3 balls, right? Out of 8, 3 balls. Under 3 ball, what they have told, 2 should be green and 1 should be black. So and, right? So 2 green, how we will write? 2 green out of 5 into 1 black out of 3 divided by 3 ball out of 8, right? 3 ball out of 8. And this will be our probability. Okay. Chalo. We'll go to second question. Again, the question will be based on type 1, which is and this is a practice question for you. It is similar question wherein bag is having 8 balls. Out of that, 5 are green and 3 are black in color, right? If 3 balls are picked at random, what will be the probability that 1 is green and 2 are black? Let's see. 1 is green. Green, we want 1, right? How many greens are there? 5. So out of 5, we want this. For and it is into 2 black we have to take. And how many black we have? 3. And this does not give us the answer. Probability is not this much. But probability is divided by, why? Because we are randomly choosing only 3 balls, right? So 3 ball out of 8 balls. So this will give us the answer. You find the solution of this and that is going to be the answer. 5C1 is equal to 5. 3C2 is going to be 3 only. 3 into 2 divided by 1 into 2 divided by 8 into 7 into 6 into 1 into 2 into 3. So 1, 2, 2 get cancelled. This get cancelled. So this becomes 2, 2 ja get cancelled. And 5 3 ja 15 and here 8 7 ja 56. Okay, so 15 by 56 is going to be your answer of question number 2. Hope everybody has got. Vivek has already got 15 by 56. Okay. Sindhu has asked to repeat. Sindhu, hope you understood. I have already repeated. Hope you have got it. Otherwise, in this question, definitely you would have got Bhuvana has got the answer, Sahana has got the answer, Vivek, Emmanuel, wonderful. Navya has got the answer, wonderful. So Navya has got the answer for the last one. Very good. Okay, okay. Looks like everybody has got it, right? Navya has got the answer, wonderful. So shall we go to the next question now? Okay. Come to the next question. This is one of the part, and the same question will be asked, or similar question will be asked in the competitive examination, where we spend a lot of time and waste a lot of time, wherein now we will invest a lot of time and will reduce the timing of the solution to 15 to 20 seconds or maximum 40 seconds, not more than that. Okay, Ipshita also has got the answer. Wonderful. Let's see. This is type 2. What is asked? Similar question. In a bag, there are 5 plus 3, right? So total 8 balls. Just remember. Okay. So whatever is the probability, we are choosing here 2 balls now. So what I will do, first I will write here, no problem. But divided by how much? Okay, let it go this way only. 2 green, right? 2 green. Out of how many green? 5 green. Okay. This is or means plus 2 black. So 2 black. How many blacks are there? 3 blacks are there. Out of 3, we are taking 2 blacks. And total, we are going to pick only 2 balls, right? Only 2 balls. So 2 here out of 8 balls, right? So 8 here. So this is our answer. So it will be 5 into 4 divided by 1 into 2 plus 3 into 2 divided by 1 into 2 divided by 8 into 7 divided by 1 into 2. 4 times, 2 times, 1 time. So this becomes 5 into 2, 10 plus 3, 13 and divided by 28 is the answer. Okay, 13 by 28 is the answer. Got everyone? Easy, no? Anybody has any problem? I can repeat. If you want, I can repeat. Just to remember, yeah, Akansha has got the answer. Vivek has got, as usual, Vivek has got the answer. One among many will be always Pavan, Sahana, Akansha, Sudhanshu. Wonderful. Akansha has got, Sahana has got, Pavan, Sudhanshu, Vivek. Wonderful. So you guys have got the same answer, right? Okay, Sagar has got, Namrata has got. Wonderful. Sorry. Okay, now let's go to the next question. One more question for you to answer. Give me the answer of this. And I'm giving you 30 seconds of time for this. Give me the answer. Similar question, 2 balls out of 8. And here, the probability of 1 green or 2 are black. 1 green or 2 are black. This is very important question. This is very, very important question. Okay. A lot of answers we have got. Let's see which is the right answer or how to do this. The question is, in a bag there are five green and three black balls. So again, total number of balls are eight, right? Okay, eight balls. That's right. Two balls are picked at random. What will be the probability of one is green? Okay, one is green. Now, concentrate here, guys. Somewhere you have gone wrong. Few of you have gone wrong, and where you have gone wrong, I'll tell you. That is why I told very important question, right? See, how many balls are to be picked? Two. Okay. The option one is, what is the probability that one is green? One is green means what? Try to understand. One is green is what? Here, all of you, most of you have done wrong. If one ball is green and totally two balls should be there, then one green means one green and one must be black, which is hidden. Did you understand? If one green ball is there, if two balls are picked, out of that it is told that one is green. That means what? Which other color ball is there? Do you have green and black? That's all, no? So other has to be black, isn't it? Because two balls. So this most of you have not considered. So this is one statement. Or second statement is two are black. Here no problem. Why? Because here it is given two are black and we are choosing how many balls? Only two. So two are black means two are black, no problem. So find the probability of this. One being green. Find out. One being green is combination of one and how many green are there? 5C1. And means into. And means into one ball being black. One ball being black and how many black balls? So three, right? And green is fine. Okay. And then we will use or. Okay, then we will use or. Two are two out of two means two are black. How many black are there? Out of three, we have to choose two divided by combination. How many balls are picked? Two balls are picked out of eight balls. Hope you understood. Where did you go wrong? So this was the only problem with this sum. So 5C1 is 5, 3C1 is 3 plus 3C2 is nothing but 3 into 2 divided by 1 into 2 divided by 8 into 7 divided by 1 into 2. This is 4 times. This gets cancelled. So 5 3 are 15 plus 3 18 divided by 7 4 are 28. Sorry, 28. So this will go 2 times 9 by 14 will be the answer of this question. 9 by 14 will be the answer of this question. Hope you understood. 2 by 7. Most of you have given the answer as 2 by 7. 6 by 28. Somebody has given 6 by 28. It should be 18 by 28. I don't know. 9 by 14. Nisarga has given, right, Nisarga? That is right. So now everybody understood, no? Why it should be 9 by 14. Got it? Very good. Wonderful. So purposefully this kind of questions are asked and you will get this kind of question only in the question paper. Why do you get? Why? Because they know. You people know permutation combination. You people know probability. Now they want you to commit a mistake and they will give half the information. Another half you should repeat. Okay, Namrata is asking, can you repeat the first part? Definitely, Namrata. Namrata, what I am trying to say is, if you look at this statement, what is the probability that, right? What is the probability that if this part only, if you look at this part, okay, what is the probability that one is green or two are black? Okay, so similar question example I'll give you. In your class there are 50 students and it is given out of 50 20 are boys. So if they are boys, remaining 30 will be what? If it is 50 there are 50 students having boys and girls, right? And in the question it is given, sorry, 20 are boys, then 30 has to be girls only, no? 30 has to be girls, right? So that is what we are telling. What they have given in this, we have to pick total 2 balls. And the scenario is they are telling one is green. If one is green, that one more will be what? Another color, which is black, isn't it? Two balls out of green and black we are taking. So one is green means another one has to be black. So this is one, and it will be and only. Why? Because one is green and one will be black, and no or means either this or that. What we need, two balls minimum, which in which it is green, one is green, so another one is black. Hope you understood. Now let me know if you have understood this. Karishma has got the answer. Wonderful, Karishma. And many others would have got the answer. Wonderful. Bhuvana got the right answer, 18 by 28, which we can further reduce it to 9 by 14. Shall what we will do, having seen this question, shall we go to the next question? Let's see the next type. It is combination of and or. And or. Here we have the combination of, till now we have seen and or, right? This is combination, combo. Okay. Let's see, look at the question and try to do the sum. What is given? Same thing. 8 balls are there total. Out of 8 balls, 5 are green, 3 are black. If 4 balls are picked at random, we are picking how many? 4 balls. Okay, are picked. Remember, 4 balls are picked, and they are asking what will be the probability that out of this 3 are green, and 1 is black. Okay, this is complete. 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, 3 are green and 1 is black. Or, okay, or second option is or 2 are green and 2 are black. 2 are green and 2 are black. It is very easy. Let's see. 3 green, right? So combination of 3. How many greens are there? 5. So 5C3 for and it will come into 1 black ball, right? So 1 black ball out of 3, or plus, for or it is plus 2 green, right? So 2 green out of 5 into black is 2 out of 3. Correct. This will give us the answer. That is equal to 5C3. 5C3 can also be written as 5C2, right? So 5C2 is 5 into 4 divided by 1 into 2 into 3C1 is nothing but 3 plus 5C2 is nothing but same, no problem, 5 into 4 divided by 1 into 2 into 3C2. That means 3 into 2 divided by 1 into 2. Correct, no? Okay. So this is 30 and this is also 30. Okay, sorry, I missed it. And we have to divide completely by how much? See, 4 balls to be picked. 4 balls are picked out of 8. Okay, so divide completely by 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. 8, 7, 5, 6, 5 into 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes. So now you can start cutting. Okay, now give me the answer. So 5 into 2, 10 into 3, 30. 30 here, this goes 30, and this 5 into 2 is 10 into 3. This is also 30. So that comes as 30 by 30. Sorry, 30 plus 30 is 60. Directly can be right? Okay. So 60 divided by, what is left out? 2 into 7 into 5. So 5 into 10 is 10. So 6 times. So answer is 6 by 7. 6 by 7, right? Everybody has got the answer as 6 by 7. Wonderful. Most of you have already got the answer as 6 by 7. Well done. Sahana, Ashraf, Kavyas, okay, Nisarga, Namrata. So everybody is getting it. Wonderful, guys. Wonderful. You guys are awesome. Akansha, Emmanuel, Namrata, Bhuvana, Pavan. Okay. Okay, I think Vivek is asking a question. Okay, sir, for one is black, either it can be green, no, sir. Okay, okay, yes. But what you have what you have seen, no, Vivek? Just read out the question once again. The question is, I'm starting from if. Okay, the question is, if four balls are picked at random, what will be the probability that three are green and one is black? Is one sentence. Okay, try to understand this way. Three are green and one is black. So out this statement says, if you give here, because or is written in a bold way, okay, capital. So three green and one black, they are telling. So total four balls are already there. What you are trying to see is, you are seeing three are green and one is black, right? You are breaking here, but you combine this, three are green and one is black is given. Or is not there, wherein you bifurcate it. Another statement, if you see next, it is given or two are green and two are black. So 2 plus 2 is 4. There also 3 plus 1 is 4. So if it was less, we would have gone, but it is already given, no? 4 out of 4. Hope you understood. Yes, thank you. So Suha, Rukya, Karishma, Chetan. Okay, everybody has got the answer. Wonderful. Chalo. With this is combination of and or, and this kind of question you can expect. And this is, if you are able to give the answer of this, that means you guys are awesome. You have understood how to do probability. Let's see the next type of question, where I have given selection type, right? In when I was giving the flow, which all type of question we will see, then selection type. This is selection type. What is the question? In back there are 5 green. So what, once again, 5 green. 5 green are there and 3 black balls are there. So totally it is 8 balls in back. Okay. If 3 balls are picked, okay, so we are picking 3 different balls. Selection is are of 3 random. What is the probability that one is green, right? One is green. So they have given selection type. What is the probability that one is green? So try to understand the question. One is green. If one of that has to be green, that means what? One is green, total balls picked are 3. So one is green and 2 must be what? Black. So very easy question. Can you solve it? Give me the answer. Okay. One green out of total 5 and 2 black out of 3, and means into. So combination of 1 5 into combination 3C2 divided by how many balls are picked? 3 balls are picked. 3 balls out of 8 balls. This will give us the answer. 5C1 into 3C2 into 3C8 will give us the answer. Right? So let's not waste our time in solving this. Anyways, the solution you will be able to get it, I'm sure. But let's not waste our time in that. Okay, we can go to the next question. For 15 by 56, many have started giving. Wonderful. Bhuvana, Pavan, Emmanuel, Ziba, Sahana, Namrata. Everybody is right. 15 by 56 is the right answer. Okay, so I'll just write 15 by 56. That is equal to 15 by 56 is the right answer. Let's go to the next sum. Okay, next term is none. Okay, in the question it is, in a bag there are 5 green, similarly 5 green, 3 black balls are there. Out of that we have to pick total 3 balls, and the condition is, what is the probability that none is black? What is none is black? We do not want, out of 3 balls we want none of those should be black, so all will be what? Green. It is nothing but all green. None black is nothing but all green. All green means 3 green, right? So we have to find the probability of 3 green out of how many greens? 5 green, right? That is what, no? 3 green out of 5 green divided by 3 balls out of 8 balls will give us the answer, right? 5C3. So now if you understand, NCR value will be this. Probability is nothing but NCR, which is equal to this. So looking at these questions and all, we are not going to waste our time. Simply we will write and we will find out the answer. See what it will be. 5 into, okay, 5C3 can also be written as 5C2, right? So 5 into 4 divided by 1 into 2 divided by 8 into 7, 6, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 6, and this is 2. So this goes 4 times. So it will be 5 by 28, if I'm not wrong, right? 5 by 28. 5 by 28, everybody is getting 10 by 56. Yes, 10 by 56 is 5 by 28 only, right? Okay, 5 by 28, many have got 10 by, yes, wonderful. 10 by 60, okay. Many have got 10 by 56, which can be reduced into 5 by 28. Wonderful. Okay, good. Now, having understood that, another type of question, at least. In the question paper, no, sometimes you will get at least 1 green ball. It is similar question. In a ball, there are 5 green and 3 black balls. 5 green and 3 black. Okay, and what they are telling, 3 balls are being picked. 3 balls. Okay, out of 8. Total 8. What? How many? 3 we are taking. What is the probability of at least 1 green? At least means minimum 1. It can be more also, right? That is what we told, minimum to maximum. This is the condition of min to max. Okay, min to max. So at least 1 green. So probability can be, if 1 green is there, right? If 1 green is there and total how many balls? 3. So 1 green and 2 should be what? Black. Understood? Okay. Or another option can be 2 green. What they are telling, at least 1 green. So 2 green also is at least 1 green, right? So 2 green and 1 black. Then only it will be 3, no? Okay. Or another option is 3 green. If 3 green is there and 0 black, right? So we are not considering. Okay. So these are the 3 probabilities. Very importantly, I'm repeating once again, whenever at least is there, we should go from minimum to maximum. At least 1 is given, so 1 value will be minimum and we will go to maximum. Maximum, how many greens are there? We have 3 balls to be picked. So maximum 2. That means 1, 2, 3 we have to go for green. Okay. So first one we have seen 1 green, 2 green, 3 green. That is what I have told at the starting. Whenever at least is there, it is minimum to maximum. Hope you understood. Now this is one possibility. When 1 green is there, total 3 balls has to be picked, so another 2 has to be black. Or when 2 greens are there, another 1 has to be black. Or when 3 greens are there, no black, right? Now let's write that the probability of all those. 1 green, right? 1 green out of 5 green into, and is there, so into, and black are 3 and we have to choose 2, right? Okay, for or it is plus. Similarly 5C2 into 3C1 plus or, and here it is 3 out of 5, correct? No, 5C3. So, and one more way of cross checking is, dear friend, remember here, whether you have written, I have written, and very fast I have written, you want to see whether your equation is right or not, or the combination formula which you have written is right or not. How do you do? Totally how many balls? 3 balls we have to pick, right? So 3 balls. You remember this 3 ball has to be picked. How to check it? Look at here, combination, whatever is here, that is number of green ball and black ball, right? So this 5 3 5 3 always will come, right? This is 5, no black, so that is what. Okay, now look at this 1 plus 2 should be always equal to 3. 2 plus 1, the sum of these two has to be 3, then it is right. Now this is already 3, so then it is right. You cannot miss it. If by mistake you write here 1 and this is 1, that means somewhere you have done wrong. This 1 and 1 cannot be 2, it has to be 3 balls only. Why? Because total we have to take 3 balls. This is another way of identifying or having a cross check that your equation is right or not. Now divided by C3, how many balls we are choosing? So 3 balls out of 8 balls. This will give us the answer. So this will be equal to 5C1 is equal to 5 into 3C2. 3C2 if you find, no, again it will be 3. You do it, no problem. I have practiced so many times that I remember. 5C2, when you talk about 5C2, it will be, answer will be 10. Okay, 5C2 when you find, it will be 10. 5 into 4 into 3, sorry, let me write 5, yeah, it will be 10. Okay, and into where is this? 3C1. 3C1 is nothing but 3, and then plus 5C3. 5C3 will be equal to 5 into 4 into 3, so 5 into 4 again 10. How it will be coming? 5 into 4 into 3 divided by 1 into 2 into 3, right? So this 3 get cancelled, yeah, 10. Correct, no? Divided by 8C3, right? 8C3. Let's write it. 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 1 into 2 into 3. Okay. So that will be equal to, what is this? 15, 30 and 10. So 10 plus 30 is 40. 40 plus 15 is 55 divided by 56. 55 divided by 56. Got it? Wonderful, wonderful. Ipshita has got the answer. Shudhanshu has got. Nisarga has got, but somewhere it is 110 you have missed, Mark. Nisarga has missed 110, no problem. Emmanuel has got it right. Nisarga has got it right. Very good. Again, Sudhanshu, Navya, everybody has got. Wonderful, wonderful. Vivek, Bhuvana, Ramya, Suha. Wonderful, guys. So good. Abhiram started with the answer, and everybody has got Akansha, Bhuvana, Nisarga, Shiva. Okay, wonderful. So you guys have understood this. For 15 minutes, we'll see another question. Now, this is a brain game. This is a brain game. Please try to do it on your own. Now, before doing this, can you guys comment in the chat box? Are you guys enjoying? Are you guys understanding, or you are feeling something you are learning in the easiest way possible? Probability seems to be a very difficult sum. The topic itself was very difficult. Even when I was learning, I thought it was difficult. And whenever I talk to the audience and all learners and all, they say. So that is why I have tried bringing in the solution in this way, so that you feel it, you are enjoying. And I'm sure the mistakes, whatever you do for the first time, you will do. But at least you are understanding what is the concept, how is the concept, right? So that is most important. Wonderful. Thank you, Shiva. Okay, we have somebody. Okay, Dr. Shiva. Okay, I think sir it is. Shiva sir is enjoying. Wonderful. Good, Emmanuel. Hope everybody is understanding the same way. Okay, great. Great to see this encouraging messages and all. Wonderful. So let's concentrate on the last question which I have given just now. Suresh keeps his socks in a drawer. He has 24 pairs of white socks and 18 pairs of gray socks. Now he picks 3 socks at random. Find the possibility of him choosing a matching pair. Okay, yeah, let's concentrate. I'm giving 1 minute of time to you guys. Just find out what should be the right answer. Good, thank you for letting me know. Use your brain. Why? Because this is brain game. So the last 10 seconds and the countdown starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. The question was, look at the question once again. Read out the question. Suresh keeps his socks in a drawer. He has 24 pairs of white socks. How many pairs? 24 pairs of white socks. Okay. Now, and 18 pairs. Number one is 18 pairs of gray socks. Okay. He picks 3 socks at random. Out of 24 pair and 18, total pair number of pair need not to add. If you add also, that is fine. It is going to be how much? 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4, 42, right? 42 pairs, if I'm not wrong. Right? Okay, yeah. Sorry. So he picks 3 socks. Now, 3 socks. Find the possibility of him choosing a matching pair. He is asking matching pair. So if we think of white and gray, okay, look at the question now. Once again, what is the possibility of choosing the matching pair? So what can happen out of 3 picks? He has got 3 picks, right? So first pick, considering first pick, he picks what? White. Then second pick also comes white, and the third pick also it comes white. This can be one possibility, right? Okay. Another possibility can be first pick is white, second pick is white, and third pick is gray. Or it can be first pick is white, second pick is gray, third pick is white, or gray, or whatever you do. No, these are the possible outcomes. So it will be because there are 2 colors and we are choosing 3. So the answer will be 3C2 that way. Okay. Now let's forget about all those. Let's forget about all those. Whenever 3 picks are happening, see here. First pick is white, second pick is white. And it is a whether we get a pair. Yes, we get. First pick is white, second pick is white. Yes. First is pick is white, second is gray, but still third is white. Okay. First is white, second and third are gray. So whenever you go for any pick, no, because there are only 2 colors, my dear friend, and there are 3 picks, right? So it will be 100%. It has to be whichever pick is there randomly. If you pick 3 picks are there, out of that, because only 2 colors are there, it has to be a pair, 100%. So the probability is 100%, which is in terms of probability, how it is given? 1 out of 1. Understood? So it has to be in all the cases, whichever cases, what is possibility or probability? Favorable outcome divided by total number of possible outcomes. So that will be maximum x into x. So that is why it was brain game. So whatever you give the answer, right, whatever you give the answer, it is not going to satisfy. But what has happened, most of the people would have started going with the formula and all. Should we write 3C2 or shall we go with 3C2 divided by, again, how many we are picking, the total picks are how many, and out of how many, all those things are not required. What is required is, when you pick 3 times out of 2 color, it has to come twice, any of the color has to come. So it will possibly come with a pair. So everybody has understood. Wonderful. Few people have given the answer also. Somebody is telling smart question. Yes. Sudhanshu, nice try, nice try. Not at all a problem. This happens. People give, but many have got it. Wonderful. Chalo, good. Now, with that, see, a lot of other questions are also there out of this possibility, probability, and all. Having shortage of time, what I will do, I'll give you the concepts of few more concepts we'll discuss about, and then we will leave. Okay, few more concepts of probability, which will give you at least, the understanding how to do probability sums. If required in the future session, we can have another session on probability, because it is a vast topic. A lot of questions can be thrown in different ways, but having the understanding of basics, I'm sure everybody will be able to do. Okay, let's talk about the other concept of probability. Coin. How many outcomes are there? Maximum outcome at the coin can be head or tail. So maximum outcome is 2. So probability of head will be 1/2. Probability of tail will be 1/2. Why? Because favorable outcome is 1 out of 2 outcomes, right? Okay. Now, dice. Whenever dice is there, we have already spoken. The dice has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. These 6 outcomes can be there. So the probability of any number coming as 1, suppose any number is, any probability of any one number as the outcome of a dice is 1/6. Got it? Okay. Now, playing card. When playing card is there, how many playing cards are there? We will have in a playing card, total number of cards will be 52 cards. Out of that 52 cards, we will have how many colors? We'll have 4 different colors. 4 different colors or designs, right? Designs. So one design is called club. Okay, clubs. We will have hearts. Okay, we will have spades, and we will have diamonds. Okay, so 13 cards each. 13 cards each. And under that 13 cards, the number will be like 13 cards everywhere. No, the number will be distributed as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. How many cards are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cards. Plus addition 4 cards will be there, which will be called as ace. This is called aces. Okay. Then you will have jack. Okay. Then you will have king and queen. Queen and king. Okay. King and queen. So this 4. That means a club will have number 2 to 10 plus a, jack, queen, and king. Similarly, heart will have, spade will have, diamond will have, all those cards, and these all have got design and all, right? If you look at a club, how does it look? It looks something similar to this. This is the design of club. If you look at heart, it is red in color, and it looks something similar to this. When you look at spade, it is black in color. It is ulta of heart. Okay, it is opposite of heart. Okay, and then the design will be something like this, and this is again in black in color, and this has got black. Club is of black, spade is of black color, this heart is of red color, and diamond is of red color. Diamond looks something like this. Okay, again this is red in color. So this basically you can Google it out or go to any of the book. You will get playing card designs and all. Because of time constraint, I'm not able to show you guys. Otherwise, I would have shown. So if somebody is asking, look at some of the questions. First question: what is the possibility of the playing card? What is the possibility of drawing a jack, right? Jack from a well shuffled standard deck of playing card. Now, jack. How many jacks are there in playing card? Just remember, in a playing card, 52 cards are there, right? Out of that 52, 4 jacks will be there. If you remember, 4 jacks will be there. Why 4 jacks will be there? Because one jack will be of club, one jack will be of diamond, one jack will be of spade, and one jack will be of what is left out? Diamond, club, diamond, spade, and heart. Okay, so 4 jacks will be there, isn't it? So total 4 jacks. So what is the probability? Probability of jack in a playing card will be, what is the favorable outcome? Favorable outcome is having jack. How many jacks are there? 4 divided by how many total cards are there? Total playing card has got 52 cards. So 4 by 52, that is nothing but 4 times if you cut, it is 13 4s are 52, right? So 1 by 13. Probability of jack in a well shuffled playing card is 1 by 13. Hope you understood this. Let's look at the next example. What is the possibility of drawing a spade? What is the possibility of drawing a spade from a well shuffled standard deck of playing card? Now look at spade. Spade. What is spade? We told about in out of 32 cards, 52 cards. What we spoke, 4 designs will be there. So one is club, one is heart, one is spade, and another one was diamond, isn't it? Okay. So what they are asking, what is the probability of drawing a spade out of 52 cards? What is the possibility of having spade? Spade, how many spades are there? So 13, no? Here also 13, here also 13, here also 13. So our probability of spade will be, what is the favorable outcome? How many spades are there? So 13 spades are there. What is the total outcome? So total events, total playing card is 52. So 13 by 52, which is nothing but 1 by 4. Got it? Got it? Now, very good. People have started writing very good. Superb. 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 Okay. Now, last question. It is already 10:30. Last question, which will give you some glimpse of card problem, difficult ones, right? This question: what is the possibility of drawing a jack or a spade from a well shuffled? Total are 52 cards only. Out of that, how many jacks are there? We have already seen in the last question 4 jacks, right? Now how many spades are there? If you look at spades, how many are there? So 13, right? So what they are asking, what is the favorable outcome? So what can be the favorable outcome? It can be jack out of 52, or what is the probability? Probability, they are telling jack or spade, right? So jack, for jack it is 4 out of 52, correct? Or means plus, what is this? Spade, 13 out of 52. That itself will not give the probability. Probability is not this much, but probability is how much? If you look at this question minutely, this jack which is there 4 out of 52, jack was already present in spade, isn't it? So spade is not 13 now, because already jack is already seen, right? Jack, spade has 13. Out of 13, one is jack also, no? So now only 12 was there, but we have seen here written 13 by 52. So what we should do? Minus. Why? Because jack is counted here also, jack is counted here also, right? Spade also has got one jack, and jack was already there, 4 jacks. So one jack we should minus. Why? Because twice it is counted. So this will give us the answer. Hope this is the you have understood. This is the complexity of this question. The probability of a jack or a spade is not just considering jack and spades, but also considering the same jack has been counted here and here both. Okay, understood? So the answer will be 52. 13 plus 4 is 17 minus 1, that is 16 by 52, which is nothing but 4 by 13. Hope everybody has understood. Very good, very good. So people have started writing 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Okay. So Meghana has got the answer. Wonderful. Nice, Meghana. Got it? So guys, that's all for today. What we will do, we will come back again sometimes later, and tomorrow anyways 9:30 sharp we are joining. That's all about probability. Hope you do good. Start practicing the sums on probability. If anything is there, come back to us. You can write in the chat box later. Also the video will be uploaded on YouTube with the same link. You can go watch it again, time and again. Any sum is there, any question is there, please ask your doubt. I'll be happy to share or write back to you if I know the answer. With this, we wind up this session for the day, and I'm sure you people would have enjoyed the session on probability. We'll come back tomorrow at 9:30 with another topic. Till then, take care of yourself, take care of your family. Have a good day, and happy Navaratra to all of you. See you. Bye bye.